Hi everyone, it's Kimberly with Getaway today, and I just checked into my room at the Holiday Inn Buena Park. It's just about a mile from Knott's Berry Farm. I wanted to give you a quick tour. So right when you walk in, behind me you can see there's this open closet space. You've got racks, hangers, and then down below you've got luggage space. Then you're going to come here and you're going to see my reflection here. Hi! So this is a full-size mirror to the bathroom, which I love. Helps getting ready in the morning. And then the bathroom here, I am going to just walk inside and show you in here. So it's a good sized bathroom. You've got the beautiful white marble looking tile. You've got the nice shower head in the shower tub combo. Lots of towels, and then we're gonna step back in here into the bedroom area of the room. So behind me you'll see we've got the 2 queen beds, and most of the rooms here at the Holiday Inn Buena Park have the 2 queen beds. They do have a few that have 1 king and a sofa bed, but those are a little bit harder to get. So if you do want that, make sure you request it when you're booking with Getaway today, and then again when you check in. Nothing's guaranteed with any hotels until you check in, but more than likely if they have it available and you make the request, they want to give that to you if they're able to. So okay, so you can see the bedding. Okay, so behind me you've got the fridge. You can see it's a big fridge, so it can fit all of your leftovers. Really nice. All of the rooms come with one standard. And then also you've got this nice big flat screen TV, and then storage space below, which is a great use of space. And then, you already kind of saw it, but you can see this great big desk area behind with a nice work chair. And of course they have all of these lamps. I'll just show you this real quick, because there are 3 of them in the room, and they all have areas where you can plug in your phones, all your chargers, which is really nice, because that's something that can be frustrating, is not having enough room to charge your stuff when you get to a hotel. Okay, so I wanted to show you this nice big chair, and then I wish it was this, we got here a little late because we drove straight through to Buena Park, but this outside, I don't know if you can see, but it's beautiful. There is one of the largest pools in the area they have here. Our room has a view of the gazebos. They are known for doing weddings here just because their grounds are so beautiful, especially their gazebo area. And then again, they've got one of the largest pools in all of Buena Park, and it's nice. So I definitely recommend staying here. They also have kids eat free at their in-house restaurant. That's 1 per paying adult off the kids menu, which is such a great deal. And they also have a free shuttle. The free shuttle goes to both Knott's Berry Farm and to Disneyland, and it's a schedule. You'll just make your reservation. I made mine right when we checked in. It was super easy to do. I'm going to just flip around here so you can see more of the room. But really great if you're going to Knott's Berry Farm. Also, if you're doing Disneyland and some other things on your vacation, this is a really conveniently located hotel because it's right off of the freeway. If you're going to Universal Studios, it's a few miles closer to Universal Studios than Anaheim is. Also, it's right across the street from Medieval Times, the Pirates Dinner Adventure, some really fun things to do here in Buena Park. It's also right next door to a Fuddruckers. Like, there's just all sorts of stuff all over. It's by a Target. Like, again, convenient location and just right off the freeway, but you'd never know it, especially when you look out and see those grounds. It's really beautiful. So again, I'm excited to stay here. You can see how nice those rooms are. If you need to book your vacation, be sure to book with Getaway today. You can book that online or over the phone at 855-GETAWAY, and would love to help you book your next stay at the Holiday Inn Buena Park. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe to us on YouTube for more videos like this. We do room tours, travel tips and tricks, and thank you so much for watching.